In this video, we're going to continue our walkthrough of the Sellvia dashboard, and this time I'm going to focus on the promo videos section. This area is used for working with, of course, promo videos, which can be applied across different traffic sources and platforms like social media or websites. Let's get started and open the first section and go through it step by step. So, inside promo videos here in our Sellvia dashboard, we can see add promo videos and your promo videos. We're going to start with add promo videos since this is where all the available video packs are. This page shows all the different packages that are currently available. And these packs are created for different types of products, including physical products, digital products, brand-related products, and whatever other categories you might need. Visually, this page is structured in a very similar way to the product section that we went through in our other video. So, at the top, you can see the packs are organized into three main categories. We've got best sellers. As the name suggests, this section includes promo video packs that perform better than others based on overall demand. Many of these packs are marked with labels like hot, which makes them easy to spot and see what's doing well right now. The next category we've got is limited time offers. This section is pretty self-explanatory. It includes video packs that are available for a limited period. Usually this is for seasonal video packs, holiday-related video packs, and special bundles with temporary discounts. Since these are all time-based, their availability can change depending on the season or other promotions. All right, the last category we're going to go through is best profit. This section focuses on video packs that are designed for products that typically generate higher profit margins. You'll also, most of the time, use this when you're selling high-ticket products or brand-focused products. The idea is group video packs that are commonly used for products with higher pricing or stronger brand positioning. The last one we're going to go through is recommended for you. Even though this is a separate section, some packs here may appear as recommended while still being part of the other categories like best sellers or best profit. And of course, these recommendations are shown directly to you to show you the packs that Sellvia thinks would be best for your store. So what happens when you purchase a pack and get started? Well, let's move over to your promo videos and check out how it all works. Here, what you'll see is the list of video packs that you've got and the videos included in each pack. When we click View Videos on a pack, a detailed view opens and we can see everything that we would want to see about this pack. We'll see each video is shown along with additional information, a preview of the video itself, a direct link to the related product, ready-to-use post content, and suggested hashtags. There are also options to download the video file or a related image, and these files can then be used for posting on different social media platforms. One important detail shown here concerns product availability. If a product included in a promo video pack is not already listed in the online store, that product is automatically uploaded to the store along with the video pack. This ensures that when you are using this promo content, it's always connected to an active product page. This is just a super nice feature of Sellvia, because even if you are an experienced e-commerce entrepreneur, making videos yourself can take lots and lots of time. This gives you the opportunity to find ready-made promo videos for products that will automatically be available in your store, just saving you tons and tons of time. Anyways, that's it for my overview of the promo video section, from browsing available packs to managing and using the videos that you've already purchased.